Good morning, kindergartners. Today we are on page 19 of your student journal, page 19. And our objective today I will compose and decompose numbers 11 through 15. So today we're going to compose and decompose numbers 11 through 15. So we've done these before, but today what they're doing is they're putting both types of questions into one lesson. Okay, so let's look at our vocabulary. Our first word says we're going to compose. It means put parts together. So if I have a 10 plus 2, I'm taking these two parts and I'm putting them together and they equal 12. So it's taking two things and putting them together. Decompose is the opposite. It means to break into parts. So here I have 12 and I'm going to break it into a 10 and a 2. So I'm taking something and separating it into two parts. Okay, friends, then we have these things we called our 10 frames. The nice thing about 10 frames is when I see them, that I recognize right away that if it's full, that's 10. Because look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it's nice, boys and girls, if I just look at it and I know it's 10. Now this 10 frame isn't full, so I would count how many are in it. So there's 1, 2. So if I have 10 and I have 2 more, it's 10, 11, 12. And then they're reminding us what an equation looks like. An equation is what we call a number sentence. So 10 plus 2 equals 12 is a number sentence or an equation. This equal sign must be in all of your equations, boys and girls. Okay, friends, there's a lot of steps here. We're not going to read all those. We're just going to get started. So Miss Munoz is going to show you her first problem. Okay, my first problem says compose a group of 10 and 2 ones. Record your equation. Okay, so what do I know? Compose means they're going to take two things and put them together. So they're going to take this group and these two and put them together. So even though this is a group of 10, I still think I'm going to count them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my group had 10 in it. And then outside my group, I have 1, 2. So those are my two parts. And when I compose, I'm going to put them together, right? So what happens if I have 10 and 2? Well, I'm going to say I have 10, 11, 12. So 10 plus 2 equals 12 is my equation. Okay, let's look at my next one, boys and girls. This one says decompose 12. Record your equation. So decompose means now I have one giant group and they want me to break it up into parts. Okay, so I'm going to count how many is in my whole group. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 in my big group. Okay, but they want me to separate this into two groups. So I'm going to have a group of 10 and then see what's left. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stop, friends. And I'm going to take those 10 and put them in a circle. Not a circle, I'm sorry. I'm going to circle them, but it won't be a nice circle. It'll be kind of a weird shape. So I have a group of 10. And then how many are left? How many aren't in my group? 1, 2. So this time I took my 12 and I separated or broke it into two parts. A group of 10 and then two more on the side. So that's called decomposing, when I break up a group. Okay, boys and girls, let's do some of these together. Okay, we are on page 20 of your student journal, page 20, and find this problem. Find this beach ball problem. Okay, this says compose a group of 10 and 3 ones. Record your equation. Okay, so what do they want us to do, boys and girls? Compose. Compose means they want us to put together. So let's count how many beach balls are in our group. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 beach balls in our group. Okay, how many beach balls aren't in our group? Let's count these. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so compose means they want us to take these two and put them together. So when I do that, I'm just going to count my group all at once. So I'm going to say I have 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's the nice thing about having a group of 10 is I can say 10, 11, 12, 13. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. This is our equation, boys and girls. This is our number sentence or our equation. Okay, let's look at our next one. Our next one says decompose 13. Record your equation. So this time they want us to decompose. So now we have this big group and they want us to break it into 2 groups. Okay, so let's count our big group first. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Our big group has 13 in it. Okay, so now boys and girls, we're going to break this group up. We're going to first find a group of 10. Okay, ready? So watch when I do it, I'm going to do opposite lines so I can count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to put those 10 in one group. So my 10 are all the ones with X's. So I'm going to put them in one group. So I have a group of 10. And how many are left? How many aren't in the group? 1, 2, 3. So I decomposed 13 into 10 and 3. And my number sentence or my equation says 13 equals 10 plus 3. Okay, boys and girls, keep practicing this on your own today and have a nice day. Bye.